Hi, baby.
Hey guys, this is Skylar and Princess Peyton. Say hi.
Hi.
And we're going to be opening some ice cream surprise aids on our pirate ship. We can't wait to see what we got, so let's open them up. And we're from FUNtastic Kids TV. Whoa, I got Donatello from Ninja Turtles. So let's give you a look. It looks like on mine I got some brown hot fudge and some strawberry and vanilla ice cream on mine. What'd you get, Princess Peyton?
I get Jockeys.
Let's open the other one.
We can open that one.
Whoa! I got a big chunky Batman. Let's give you a look. And Princess Peyton got, what'd you get?
I want ice cream.
So, this is what we got. I got 2 things you can put on your hand and like puppets. And what did you get?
It was for
Wait, open it. What'd you get?
No, I promised.
Let's show them what you got.
What did Princess Peyton get?
Didn't you get a strawberry shortcake ring?
She got a strawberry shortcake ring.
Okay.
How bad?
She wants to put it back.
So I'm gonna do like a little puppet show. Wait, let me take these off. Never mind. Hello, I am Batman. Hello, I am Donatello. Where are you from? I'm from a sewer. Where are you from, Batman? I'm from Metropolis. I mean, I forgot. Gotham City.
What's Gaffy?
Well, maybe I go in your sewer in Gotham City, maybe. I'll find out. I'll show you where my sewer is.
What's the open surprise egg?
Nope. That's
No, what's she
Texas.
talking?
Nope.
No, please
That's
stop.
Carolina.
No, please stop.
Bye.
Show them again. Let's show them again what they look like.
This is what they look like right here.
Right here.
And so can we show them your strawberry shortcake ring?
Yes, open it. Why? Can you open it?
I already opened it. Yeah.
Okay. Nothing.
Here's her strawberry shortcake ring.
Cindy, give me a piece of what's color. What a bag.
These are so yummy. I just want to eat them right now. These look so yummy. So I'm gonna try to see if I can open up her
No.
ring. Never mind. Looks like she don't. If you want to right now. And these tags, you can use them for other stuff that you want. If you want to, I don't know. If you want to use them for stuff, you can. So
I got it. Cool. Hi.
thanks for watching FUNtastic Kids TV. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.